In this quick video, I'll show you how to buy meme coins on Uniswap step by step. So the first step is to go to app.uniswap.org, then connect your wallet. Once you have connected your wallet, you can see it here that the supported networks of Uniswap are Ethereum, Polygon, Optimism, Arbitrum, Celo, and BNB chain. And if you want to buy meme coins, take note about the network that they are using. So you can go to coinmarketcap.com/view/memes, and here are the top meme coins on the market. So for example, you want to buy Floki, scroll down, and as you can see, we have Ethereum and BNB network. So for example, I'm going to use Ethereum network. Just copy the others here. Go back to app.uniswap.org and then click here, paste the others here, click here, and then select its token you want to swap, for example, Ethereum. And also, I'm using Ethereum network here because the contract address of Floki is Ethereum. And then, for example, I want to tap down one Ethereum, and then I will receive this amount of Floki. And then, once you have tapped down the amount of Ethereum you want to swap, click here, and a confirmation from MetaMask will pop up. And then wait for the transactions to be completed once you have paid for the gas fee. So make sure that you have Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet to pay for the gas fee. And then once the transactions have been completed, go back to MetaMask wallet and then check if you have received the Floki coin in your MetaMask wallet. If you can see your Floki here, just click import tokens, click custom token, paste the contract address here, and click add custom token. Click here, and you can see it here now. If you have any questions about how to buy meme coins on Uniswap, leave a comment below.